Ghana, if you hear the name of your area on this list, that means this heaven you are likely not to make it.
At all.
Congratulations to Ghana on the election of your new president, His Excellency John Mahama.
Yes.
But Mr. President, Your Excellency, you have to invite us to come and do deliverance
Very
in Ghana.
fast.
Because these are the list where sinners are operating. These are the sinners' location in Ghana. And if we do not come there for evangelism, they are likely to perish. So please, listen very well. Ghana sinners location. Number one, Your Excellency, Kaswa. Hey, Jesus. Kaswa, there is no way you can make this heaven.
I don't know.
The entire Kaswa, only 2 righteous people, 1 backslide yesterday. Kaslan, una make bad. Number 2, Ashiaman. Hey! The headquarters of fornication. Jesus. Ashiaman, fear God. Kumasi, the entire Kumasi parish. Bantama, Ashtown, Nima. Hey! Nima times 4.
Yes.
Headquarters of sinners. Accra.
Yes.
Greater Accra region. Circle. Burma camp.
Yes.
This is where the devil boys are being trained for hell.
Yes.
Osu. Hey, Jesus. Osu, fear God.
Fear God.
Especially Oxford Street for Osu. Ashiaman again. Nyaso, Santasi.
Yes.
Koforidua.
Yes.
Yes, City, there is no way you can make this
Come
heaven.
now.
Accra Mall. Marina Mall.
Yes.
Kotoka Airport. The entire Kotoka Airport Road perish.
There
is no righteous soul.
No one.
Airport Hotel. Airport Hill Estate.
Yes.
Chado.
Chado.
Chado, fear God, Charlie.
Yes.
Charlie, allow your manhood to rest. Especially Coconut Avenue, Bougainvillea Street,
Yes.
Death Palm Street, Cantonment. No single righteous soul.
Not even
especially AU Village for Cantonment. La Palm Beach Hotel, you cannot make this heaven.
Roman
Ridge, there is no hope.
Yes.
St. Thomas Aquinas School, Morning Star School, University of Ghana. Hey! Ghana boys and girls, allow your manhood and womanhood to rest. Fornication, one key woman. Achimota, especially Achimota School.
Yes.
Tantra Hills, Mile 7. Jawulu. Hey! Jawulu boys and girls, fear God. Now devil, they use una every day. Makola Market, Labadi, you plan to make heaven, there's no hope. Labadi Beach Hotel, Nungwa, Deshi Nungwa, Italian boy Nungwa, now devil, they use una, you can't make it. Kaneshi, not Kaneshi, CMB flats, Peshi, Awoshe. Hey, Jesus. You see these areas I'm about to call? This is the who is who in the devil's call. Amasama, Okwegono, Agbliza, Adenta. You cannot make heaven. Manet, Kotobabi, Spintex, there is no hope. La Paz, Madina, Dodowa, Sakumono, Lashibi, Kasapreko, Akosombo, especially by Asikuna Junction, Bashona. There is no righteous soul here. Chris Berry Night Club. Jesus, this is where devil they play holding boys to preparing them for the devil's Olympics. Papi Kojo Night Club completely perished. Bowers Hotel and Night Club. Community 18. Jesus, there is no hope. Community 16, community, all of those communities completely perished. Ajingano, there is no hope. Bush Road, Fertilizer, First Junction, 10 times 4. Titanic Beach, Coco Beach, Sekendi Takradi, Anaji Takradi, all this your Takradi, you cannot make heaven. Sunyani is completely perished. EU's Hotel, Sunyani, Coco House, in Kwanta North District, Efia Kwanta Hospital, Parish, Obuasi, East Legon, Tasako Valley, Atomic Junction, Choco. Jesus. Choco, there is no hope. Lister Hospital, Nima again. The whole northern region perished, especially West Gonja District. Damongo Village completely perished. No righteous soul. Tamale, you cannot make heaven. Especially University of Science, Development Science. Bokom, Jamestown, Mamobi, Alaji Tabora, Bolgatanga don't perish finish. Boku, I fear God. I fear this our God, Charlie. Let us say, Volta region, the entire Volta region completely perished. Cape Town cannot make this heaven. Especially University of Cape Town, Kitampo, Shafi Bekwai, Essence Lounge, Ablekuma, Kokomba, Upper West region, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Asheshi University, Pentecost University, all the universities, boys and girls, allow your manhood and womanhood to rest. Fornication is too much. Please bring the supplementary list. We need to go for evangelism.
Very fast.
Sit down, the power.